Psalm 147 is a triumphant psalm of restoration, healing, praise, and power. It magnifies YAHUAH as the one who gathers the outcasts, heals the brokenhearted, casts down the wicked, strengthens the gates of Zion, and governs the universe with power and wisdom. It's a powerful foundation for spiritual warfare when rebuilding after devastation, when healing from deep wounds, or when proclaiming YAHUAH's dominion over chaos and enemies alike. This is a spiritual warfare prayer based on Psalm 147, calling on YAHUAH to restore, heal, defend, and reign over all your battles. Spiritual warfare prayer. Psalm 147, Hallelujah. For it is good to sing praises to our Elohim, for praise is pleasant and beautiful. You, O YAHUAH, build up Jerusalem. You gather together the outcasts of Yasharel. So gather me now from the places I was scattered, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Where the enemy broke me, you are restoring me. Where I was cast out, you are drawing me in. You heal the brokenhearted and bind up their wounds. Heal every place where betrayal wounded me. Heal every trauma inflicted by wickedness. Bind up the places where my soul bled in silence. You determine the number of the stars. You call them all by name. If you count the stars, surely you see me in my warfare. Great is Adonai and mighty in power. His understanding is infinite. YAHUAH lifts up the humble. He casts the wicked down to the ground. So now I declare, let every proud spirit be humbled. Let every secret enemy be exposed. Let every demonic force that sought my fall be cast down by the voice of YAHUAH. Sing to YAHUAH with thanksgiving. Sing praises on the harp to our Elohim, who covers the heavens with clouds, who prepares rain for the earth, who makes grass to grow on the mountains. O creator of the storm and rain, speak over my drought and cause fruit to come forth. Let what the enemy devoured be restored. You give food to the beast and to the young ravens when they cry, so I will not lack. You are my provider in warfare. You have strengthened the bars of my gates. You have blessed my children within me. So now strengthen every weak place in my home, in my heart, and in my calling. You make peace in our borders and fill me with the finest wheat. You send out your word, and it runs swiftly. You give snow like wool. You scatter frost like ashes. You hurl out your ice like crumbs. Who can stand before your cold? You send forth your word, and it melts them. You cause your wind to blow, and the waters flow. So now send forth your word into my warfare. Let it melt opposition. Let it break foes in places. Let it sweep away all resistance. You have not dealt this way with any other nation. Only Yasharel knows your judgments and statutes. Hallelujah. O YAHUAH, builder of ruins, healer of wounds, lifter of the cast down, rise up and fight for your servant. Heal what the enemy tried to shatter. Restore what the adversary tried to steal. Bless my borders, guard my gates. Send your word into every battleground of my life. I will not be broken. I will not be scattered forever. You are gathering me, healing me, and blessing me in the sight of my enemies. In the name of Yahshua HaMashiach, restorer, warrior, and ruler over all. Amen.